BC Morton here. You guys can tell today it is like 62 degrees. Today is March 11th. So today, since it's very warm out, today I'm going to do a station search. I turned off my button beeps and backlight because I really wanted to save these batteries. I did not want to lose them. So anyways, guys, I'm going to get to a quieter place so we can do this here. Anyways, guys, let's do it here. Anyways, just earlier I received KZZ81 out here, and I've been hearing on the climate summary that the record high is already in the 80s, like 81, which is kind of surprising. I never really heard that. Okay, anyways, guys, here's our playground, Lincoln Elementary School, Morton, Illinois, so, let's get to it. Alright. Come on, menu. Okay. Obviously, this is channel 4, WXJ71. Wow, even outside, the coverage is like stronger, you know. So let's see if we get. I'll either get WXL22 or KZZ81 on 162.425. So that's just my guess. There's WXL22 in Princeton. Looks like I'm getting a Litchfield. I believe that is KXI 79 or Hillsboro. Yeah, that's where the transmitter is. Cause I heard light wind in a slow voice. Cause that originates from St. Louis. So, cause I get strong coverage for that plenty of times. I uploaded a video long ago that said that. So.
It was partly sunny, and the temperature was 58. In St. Louis, it was cloudy and 59 degrees. It was cloudy in Madoot with 56 degrees. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of eastern.
Okay, guys, I got to move on here. That was a cool channel 2 frequency scan. So now let's do some other channels here. Like, I'm assuming I'll get WXJ75, obviously.
52 at Decatur and 56.
Yeah, there's WXJ75. It would be kind of wild if I got KIH20 again, but the next thing I'll probably get in the south would probably be KXI52 in McLeansboro, because I never even got that station, although it's in southern Illinois. I'm trying to find how to get WXM90 here. That's in Jacksonville, but I never even ever heard that station on my radios. Oh, look, a bird just swooped right over my head, guys. Okay.
Now the regional weather summary. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Now the regional weather is with a rule across central and southeast Illinois today.
Wait, did I just get KIG76? Because I heard like two like kind of those sounds. So I got WXJ76. I got WXJ73 a bit ago, and also I might have got KIG76 in Evansville, because I heard like a short or like slower voice than WXJ73. Either that or I might be getting I believe it's, yeah, I might be getting Indianapolis, guys. I think it would be kind of wild if I got, you know, yeah. Anyways, guys. Oh yeah, KC74 is Indianapolis, so anyway. This is Evansville. This is KIG76. Because that is Paducah's hourly observations, but they originate from Paducah, but it's actually Evansville, Indiana. Yeah, that's WXJ76, so. Yeah, because when I hear Donna on Channel 7 doing the hourly observations, that gives me a clue that it's KIG76. So anyways, guys, that's just more proof. Which, that isn't really an E-skip anyways. It's just, you know, getting a station around 200 miles away, because it's a pretty strong station. And you'll only get it on, like, warm days, I'm assuming, because, you know, that gives you more frequency. Champaign, Illinois Airport climate summary. That's WXJ 76. So. Mattoon, Illinois Airport climate summary. So.
The normal high is 40. The 77 degrees. Coming to normal and surrounding.
Obviously, this is KZZ 65 because I'm moving east.
Coming mostly miles an hour.
KXI 56 or no, not KXI 86 actually. Not, I meant to say 86 because this is Watseka or Crescent City, Illinois. So. This is that's the Decatur, Illinois Airport climate summary, and that is station KXI 46 in Shelby County, Shelbyville, Illinois, is where that transmitter is. I'm probably having like memory issues sometimes because I know I'm like KZZ 76, which or KC 74 is Indianapolis. So, sorry guys. So, anyways, guys, just correct me for that, or don't correct me for that because I. Yep, that's KXI 46, Shelby County. I'm trying to get KXI 48 here, which that is in Newton, Illinois. That is near where my grandma lives. Okay.
At 6 p.m. in Decatur, skies were 58 degrees and dew points 41.
That is WXJ 92 in Macomb. Oh, that's cool. I'm getting some station in Missouri, yeah, that originates from the Quad Cities on Channel 3. I forget the station call letters, but oh.
Showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s, 20 miles an hour. And for Saturday night, showers likely in the evening, then showers and day. Slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s, 25 miles an hour. Chance of trees. The dew point was 42.
This is KXI 70 in Jerseyville, Illinois. That is very close to St. Louis. Let's try and get KDO 89 here.
Metro area in Chesterfield. It was Sunday night. Showers likely in slight chance.
There is KXI 40 or 79, yeah.
An hour. Will rise well into the 70s south of the Ohio River.
That was kind of cool. Like, same part of the summary is playing on WXJ 75 and 76. So I'm going to try and get KIG 76 again. WXJ 73, that's in the Quad Cities. Look at the sunset, guys. It's pretty beautiful, isn't it? We haven't had a sunset like this in like a while. I know, yeah, it's beautiful as Kansas. Like, yeah, it's like spring is springing early. Like, temperatures during the nighttime hours yesterday was actually in the 30s, which it's surprising. It almost feels like 70 degrees out here, although it's like 60. Yeah, it's like, all right, now let's try getting some stations again. Here we are, KIG 76. I heard the Donna voice say Evansville Tri-State Region, so. Alright, now let's try finding some stronger stations. Like, I'm going to try getting Indianapolis, which probably that's highly unlikely. Here we are, KIG 76.
The relative humidity is 86%.
Originating from Paducah, okay. It's cutting out, but I heard Madisonville, which that's in Kentucky.
The wind was 55 miles an hour. Temperature around cloudy to cloudy. It was 58 at Louisville, 54 at Indianapolis, 52 at Decatur, Illinois, and 56 at St. Louis. Paducah reported 57. Nashville reported 61.
It's pretty wild. I'm getting the report from Nashville on that. Like, you know, that's pretty cool. Although I got KIH-20, I never got KIG-79, if you were wondering. That's the Nashville transmitter, so.
Low 60s. The 10 mile. 50% sunny. Highs at the low of 50. Partly sunny.
Alright guys, right there I'm going to have to end the video. It was like 10 minutes because I don't want to waste the batteries on my phone here and on my weather radio, so I'm going to get these guys charged up, recharge the batteries, and hopefully I'll get some newer stations soon. Just look at that sunset, it's like a pink sky. I'm trying to get this camera to focus so you guys can see it. Yeah. It looks like pink, but it looks kind of different because I'm only using like a 3.2 megapixel on my older phone here. So anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Anyways guys, again, I'm at Lincoln School in Morton, Illinois, so thanks.